Oh, did you guys see that? Where is the lace? Oh my gosh. Luvme Hair did not lie. See the book? It is Glueless. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for sponsoring this video.
Wanna get to know you better. 너와 함께 있으면 나 몸이 뜨거워져 all night. Just wanna feel your touch. 조금 더 가까이 to make you.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. If it is your first time here, you are welcome. Thank you so much, I appreciate. Please gorgeous, if you haven't subscribed this new year, hit on that subscribe button. Just give me that gift, okay? Hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon so that whenever I upload videos, you'll be notified. Yes, today is a wig review, and the wig I'll be revealing today is from Luvme Hair, and this wig is bomb. I tell you, it is salt and pepper. You're going to love this wig. One thing I like with this wig I want to review, everything is done for you. It is just pop on and go. It is ready to wear wig. Just think of any pre about any wig, it is on this wig, and moreover it is beginner friendly. If you're new to wigs, maybe you don't even have money to go to the salon to install your wigs, don't worry, Luvme Hair got your back on this one, because the wig, you don't need to go to the salon, you just pop it on and you're good to go. You can just install this wig yourself. That is one thing that give me joy, okay? Even me that know how to install my wig, that just maneuver my way out. If I see wigs like this, I'm always happy. I appreciate it, because that is what we want. You just pop it on and you're good to go. Effortless, zero work needed. Everything is done for you. It is pop on and go. So this wig is in this box right here. Oh gorgeous. So my OGs, thank you so much for always being there. I forgot. Thank you so much, I appreciate you guys. So the wig is in here, it came in here. In case if it's your first time, maybe you don't know how Luvme Hair package their wigs, this is how they package it in this gorgeous pack you're seeing right here. Let's do the unboxing. This is it in here. You see, it is salt and pepper. One thing, everything is done for you, like I said. Look at it, and this is raw. Oh, I love this. I love this color. And one thing with salt and pepper is not only the old that wear salt and pepper. You guys know this is the new trend right now. Everybody can wear salt and pepper hair. It's elegant. That is one thing I like. It makes you stylish. It is elegant. It is gorgeous when you wear this. If you're young, you rock it. If you're old, you rock it. Everyone can rock this wig, this hair you're seeing here. That is one thing I like with it. You don't need any baby hair. Maybe if you're struggling to like, hey, how can I do my baby hair? Oh, I don't know. You don't need it on this wig. All details will be on the description box. If you're interested, you can check it out, and you can use my discount code CHIL28 to get 28% off your purchase. You guys know we need that. I'm going to leave it on the screen and also on the description box the link to this wig, to their website, everything you need to know about their website. It will be on the description box. See the hairline. You see, it is pre-cut. It is pre-cut. You see, and pre-bleach. Everything is pre. You see that? How gorgeous is this? You see, pre-cut. So you don't need to do anything. They will see, they coil it for you. You see this? So you just pop this on, you brush it, and you're good to go. We are going to put that into test right away. Okay, I'm just going to tighten this because I want it really lap. Then this, it came with two. This one here, and this inbuilt adjustable strap. Okay, so we're just going to wear it. There's something on my face. What's this on my face? Okay, all right, we're just going to wear this. First, I'm going to pull this and see the inside. Okay, it is zip-packed. Yeah. Oh, do you see that? Where is the lace? this blend. Wow. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see that? Where is the lace? Ah! Wow. Luvme Hair did not lie. They did not lie. They did not lie. This is so gorgeous, and it is 100% human hair. This is 100% human hair. Wow, I'm looking for my comb. Here is my comb. I want to comb this hair. Let's see. Oh, wow. You see that? See the way it's bouncing. Oh my gosh. Wow, guys, you don't need to do anything. This is what I want. This is what we want. That you don't need to do anything. This is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Gorgeous, like I said, don't hesitate, okay? Just check the description box. Everything will be there. All information will be there. And don't forget to use that code SHELL28 to get 28% off your purchase. It is a good deal. It is a good deal. I don't need to apply foundation on the part, because that wouldn't make it look natural, because it blends with my skin already, so I don't need that. And this is bomb. Hey, this is bomb. Guys, I love this. I'm not joking. I love this. See the proof? It is glueless. I'm just shouting. I am shouting because this. Wow. I am so excited about this hair. I am really excited. So excited with this hair. That's zero work needed. When they say zero work needed, this is it. This is it. This is the zero work needed. Not that they will tell you zero work needed, you'll still be going to do like one or two things. No, this is the evidence of zero work needed. Oh, elegant. Look at how stunning, elegant this is. The texture is so soft. Is worth dying for. I'm telling you. Oh, all right, gorgeous. That is it for this hair review from Luvme Hair. It is elegant. It is slay. It is everything. It is pre. All right, gorgeous. Grab it. All right. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, all details will be on the description box, and those hesitate to use this code SHELL28 is here, okay? And we'll also leave it on the description box. All information, everything you need to know will be on the description box. I will see you guys in my next one.